So one thing you can tell right off the rip is that the Umidigi A3 looks better than the Motorola E4. But this is going to be a speed test between these two phones. Stay tuned.
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
The Motorola E4 is a device that came out in 2017. 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs internal storage, quad-core processor clocked at 1.4 gigahertz. Android 7.1.1 is running on that phone there. Umidigi A3 has a MediaTek 6739 quad-core processor clocked at 1.5 gigahertz. 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs internal storage, Android 8.1. So guys, I do want to apologize. I usually would have the AnTuTu benchmark scores and the Geekbench scores for each device pulled up for a speed test video here. But in this case, for some particular reason, the data or information that I had on the A3 here isn't available anymore. But I do have from memory that the single core score scored about a 600 and the multi-core score scored about a 1600. It scored about a 643 and a multi-core score of 1792. Unfortunately, the same thing with the AnTuTu benchmark checks. The A3, the information that I had for the data for as far as the test results, for some reason it isn't there anymore. I guess it just got lost somehow. I guess I'll have to do another test. But from memory, I do remember getting about a 43,000. Similar numbers to the Motorola E4 here. So what I'm going to be doing here is a speed test between these two phones. This is basically a series of app opening tests in which I open up applications on each device and see which one open up the applications faster. If one of the devices continuously win, I ended up calling it a knockout, which is just when the device opens up every single application faster than the rest. And at the end, I do a random minimum test to see which device close the applications in the background better. So boom, everything is closed. So the first application that we're going to open up here is Play Store. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the Motorola E4 there. The next application we're going to open up is YouTube. So 3, 2, 1. A3 got that one. Next application is going to be Amazon. So 3, 2, 1. Motorola E4 Plus took that one there. Next application we're going to do is Spotify. So 3, 2, 1. Spotify is a pretty big app. Yeah, E4 already took that one there. Next application is going to be social media here. So we're going to do Facebook. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm not sure who won that one there. Wasn't really paying attention. So let me know in the comment section who won. Next application is going to be Instagram. So 3, 2, 1. Hope nothing wild shows up. E4 took that one there, man. Next application is going to be Bleacher Report. So 3, 2, 1. It's a pretty big app. The sports app just carries a lot of information about sports, NFL, NBA, all that. So you get a lot of alerts every day. It's a lot to load up. Yeah, the E4 Plus took that, man. Let's go ahead and do Twitter next. So 3, 2, 1. I remember when Twitter used to be a problem on the E4. It used to like load, take a long time to load there. But the A3 actually took that one there. So shout out to the A3. Let's open up a pretty big app here. Let's do Facebook page. So page manager. So 3, 2, 1. Now this is a big app. It goes to the E4. So being that we have a good amount of applications opened up on each device, it's time to go ahead and do a RAM management test. So the first application we're going to test and see if it's holding in the background is the Play Store. So all right, looks like that was reloaded on the E4 but held by the A3 here. YouTube held by the A3. Amazon has to be reloaded even though I'm not signed in here and I'm signed in on the E4. It loaded up application being signed in versus application not being signed in first. Next application is Spotify. So that was held better by the A3. So for some reason, Facebook just ended up force closing out, and Instagram is trying to load back up. We got Bleacher Report next, held by the E4. Twitter, held by the A3. Facebook Page Manager, held by the A3. So as far as RAM management tests here, it's doing a better job of holding applications than the E4. So it just shows you Android Oreo is that much better than Android 7.1.1. So don't it look like the E4 was able to keep up with the A3 here? It absolutely was with applications opening, but when it came to the RAM management test, you see that the devices running the later OS is able to manage applications better. If you open up an application and it's still being held in the background, that's much better than the application still having to reload over again. I have to declare the winner to be the A3, but if you guys want to see a future video with the Umidigi A3 for a speed test with one of my other devices in the lineup, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video here as well. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Make sure to hit that notification bell so that when I put a new video up on the channel, you'll be notified immediately so you don't miss any of the new videos. But until then, my name's Max Rock. Thanks for watching this video. Y'all have a good day. Deuces.